Hello everybody, welcome to yet another video. I know I've been uploading pretty recently, haven't I, Ryan? Yeah. However, today is not going to be a normal Cliff Bar review, as Ryan is giving some foreshadowing. Today we are going to be trying some Mac and Done Steakhouse, or I like to call McDonald's. And today, normally I would not be reviewing just normal fast food burgers like some food review channel, but of course we have something interesting coming out. So that is the Travis Scott. The Travis Scott burger has taken the world by storm, and I am no different. So today we're going to try the infamous Travis Scott meal. So opening up the box, we get a beautiful looking sandwich that is lopsided, but that is okay. We got some sesame bun, which is normal to a quarter pounder. So this is pretty much a quarter pounder with pickles, lettuce, cheese, and bacon, ketchup and mustard, the works and everything. See ya, Ryan. And so here's a little close-up look to the Travis Scott. Looks really good. And if you have not seen the commercial of the Travis Scott burger, please do, because it tells you something very interesting about the man himself, Travis Scott. Of course, the meal comes with his fries and his special Sprite, which I don't have with me right now, but I got. But in the commercial, he talks about how he dips his fries in his tangy barbecue sauce. So we're going to be trying that as well. So without further ado, this is the Travis Scott burger from McDonald's. Only $6 for the whole meal. Going in. Ryan, is that a Sprite? I'm gonna take one more bite. Now I haven't got a single pickle in any of these bites. There we go. I gotta say, it's like a quarter pounder with cheese and bacon and lettuce. However, I really feel the absolute power that is Travis Scott going down my gullet and will soon be running through my veins. So I just cracked open these tangy barbecue, which is not a sauce I normally have with my nuggets or fries. So I'm not really. I've never tried the Travis Scott special by dunking my French fries into the tangy barbecue sauce, but I'm gonna try it for the man himself. So without further ado, have you dunked one of these in there yet? Dunk it. What are your thoughts on that? Not exactly. I'm just want to go in for another one of them. You know, I was a little skeptical about it, but I think Travis Scott's got something going on there with his fries and the sauce. I think it's very good. And also for the burger wise, if you're a fan of quarter pounders, you're gonna like this sandwich because all it is just a quarter pounder. However, it does have that oomph that you would feel from Travis Scott himself, the Fortnite legend. Couple of straight onions going in there, all right? But yeah, that being said, the Travis Scott meal, I'm going to give this a solid 7 out of 10, 8 out of 10. But yeah, next one, we're going to continue the Cliff Bar series, so I'll see you guys then.